Hey, what's up YouTube? I wanted to make a video here about fuel pump removal on a short bed Silverado. This is a 2015. A lot of videos I saw on the internet talk about jacking the side of the bed up and you can get access in there. That's probably good for, I guess, the long beds or extended crew cabs, extended cabs, but it doesn't work so well on a standard short cab. Basically, to jack it up, it's about as high as I got, and the fuel pump's actually too tall. The assembly is 17 inches when I got it out of there, but you can see how much we got her tilted. Had some protection in there. Let's see, I got some more protection over here. You see, we got her kicked out pretty good, but unfortunately I still had to drop the tank. 215s on the straps and a jack to lower it down, and then of course it did make the line disconnects easier in the electrical connections, but still broke the retaining clips. Freaking evaporator one is $2 for like $12, and sucks though because work at the plant and we got bins of them. But I ended up having to buy the tool, as I've done a bunch of fuel pumps before. Usually you get my little brass striker and a hammer or a mallet, and you just go to town on the ring. This one, they just don't get any room to swing, so I actually had to buy that little adapter you see. It's an OTC Tools, number 65.99, I think. It's like $63 at Summit right now, so I had to make a run to Summit. AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advanced, none of them carry that. I did take a big old breaker bar to tighten her down. I was able to get it off because I hit crosscar with the punch and the mallet or the sledge, and got it off. But to go secure it, I had to go forward and just didn't get any swinging room here. So had to buy that. So hopefully I'll hopefully get to use it again. I don't know, get my money's worth. So now it's just in for the reinstallation of the lines and clips and plugs and recheck it out. And this actually pump failed for leaking. It was leaking out the top when he would fill up his tank. It looks like the bottom of this piece had broke off and was just letting fuel pool up on top of the tank when parked on a hill or whatnot. So anyways, for you guys with the single cabs, single short beds, you're still going to drop your tank regardless, one way or another. So in hindsight, I probably just would have put it on level ground and dropped the tank like I've done in the past, but my house is on an incline, my street is too busy, so this is the situation I'm having to do it in. So if you have any questions, let me know. Drop them down below. Thanks. Bye.